Welcome to the Impact or Invisible video series. This series is your companion to the book Impact or Invisible: Surviving the Data Age with AI, written by Angel Reyes. Each video in this series takes one concept from the book and expands on it, giving you practical insights you can apply to your research immediately. Today we are on video 1, What is a Centaur Researcher? If you have been wondering how artificial intelligence fits into your research workflow, or if you have felt anxious about whether AI might replace researchers entirely, then this video is for you. We are going to explore a powerful mental model that will transform how you think about human and AI collaboration. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly where you fit in the AI era and why your unique human capabilities are more valuable than ever. Let us get started. Here is the problem we need to address today. Researchers around the world do not understand how to position themselves in the AI era. Many are caught between two extremes, and neither position serves them well. On one side, there is fear that AI will make their skills obsolete, fear that machines will eventually do everything better, faster, and cheaper than humans ever could. This fear leads to avoidance and missed opportunities. On the other side, there is a different kind of anxiety, the fear of missing out. Researchers see colleagues using AI tools and wonder if they are falling behind by not adopting these technologies quickly enough. This confusion leads to paralysis for some and reckless adoption for others. Some researchers avoid AI entirely, missing opportunities to enhance their work and increase their productivity. Others dive in without a clear framework, potentially compromising the quality and integrity of their research. Neither approach serves you well in the long run. What you truly need is a clear mental model for understanding exactly how AI and human researchers can work together effectively. The solution is what I call the Centaur Researcher concept. Let me explain what this means. In mythology, a centaur combines the upper body of a human with the lower body of a horse. It is not half human and half horse as separate parts. It is a unified being that leverages the strengths of both components together. As a Centaur researcher, you combine human intuition with AI speed in exactly this unified way. But here is the crucial insight that makes this framework so powerful. You need to understand which tasks belong to which part of the centaur. AI excels at divergence. That means generating options, exploring possibilities, processing vast amounts of information, and identifying patterns across thousands of papers. These are tasks where speed and scale matter more than judgment. Humans excel at convergence. That means making judgments, evaluating quality, applying ethical considerations, and deciding what matters most. These are tasks where wisdom and experience are irreplaceable. When you understand this division of labor, everything clicks into place. You stop worrying about AI replacing you because you realize that the judgment, the convergence, the final decisions, those will always require human expertise. AI becomes your tireless assistant for the exploratory work, while you remain the expert who guides and validates everything that matters. Let me show you the transformation this creates in practice. Before adopting the Centaur Researcher mindset, researchers often feel threatened by AI. They see it as competition rather than collaboration. They worry constantly about their relevance in a changing landscape. They either resist the technology completely or use it haphazardly without understanding its proper role in the research process. After adopting this framework, everything changes in meaningful ways. You see AI as an extension of your capabilities rather than a threat to your livelihood. You understand that AI handles the divergent tasks like generating literature summaries, identifying relevant papers across databases, suggesting analysis approaches, and creating first drafts of documents. Meanwhile, you focus on what humans do best. You evaluate the AI output with your trained expertise. You make judgment calls about quality and relevance that require deep domain knowledge. You apply your domain expertise to interpret findings in context. You ensure ethical standards are maintained throughout the process. This is not about AI doing your work for you. It is about AI amplifying your capacity to do meaningful work at scale. The transformation represents this fundamental shift in perspective. You move from seeing AI as a threat to seeing it as a powerful collaborator in your research journey. The impact of adopting this Centaur Researcher framework is truly profound. You gain a mental model for AI collaboration that reduces fear and increases adoption confidence immediately. No more anxiety about being replaced by machines. No more confusion about when and how to use AI tools appropriately. Instead, you have clarity about your role and value. You know that your role is to direct the AI with clear intent, to evaluate its outputs with your expertise, and to make the final calls that require human judgment. You understand that the more AI can handle divergent tasks efficiently, the more time you have for the high-value convergent work that requires your unique expertise. This framework applies across every aspect of research you might encounter. Literature reviews become faster without sacrificing quality. Data analysis becomes more exploratory while remaining rigorous. Manuscript writing becomes more efficient while preserving your authentic voice. Grant applications become more polished while reflecting your genuine ideas. In each case, AI can help with the exploration and generation phases, while you provide the critical judgment and decision-making that only humans can offer. The Centaur Researcher is not diminished by AI, the Centaur Researcher is empowered by it. Let us review the key takeaways from this video so you can apply them immediately. First, researchers today face real confusion about their role in the AI era. This confusion is completely understandable given how rapidly the landscape is changing. But this confusion leads to either avoidance or misuse of AI tools. Neither of these responses serves your research well in the long term. Second, the Centaur Researcher concept provides the solution you need. You combine human intuition with AI speed by understanding the fundamental division of labor between human and machine capabilities. AI handles divergence, which means generating and exploring. Humans handle convergence, which means judging and deciding. Third, when you adopt this framework consistently, you gain confidence in your approach. You stop fearing replacement because you understand deeply that judgment, evaluation, and ethical decision-making will always require human expertise. These three insights form the foundation for everything else we will cover in this video series. Here is the key message I want you to remember long after this video ends. The Centaur Researcher framework gives you a mental model for AI collaboration that reduces fear and increases adoption confidence. You are not competing with AI for relevance. You are combining with it to achieve more than either could alone. Your human judgment, your domain expertise, your ability to make nuanced decisions in complex situations. These capabilities become more valuable, not less valuable, when paired with AI speed and processing power. Keep this framework in mind as you explore AI tools for your research going forward. Always ask yourself this simple but powerful question. Is this a divergent task where AI can help explore options and generate possibilities? Or is this a convergent task where I need to apply my judgment and make decisions? That simple question will guide you toward effective AI collaboration every single time you face a research challenge. This video is part of the Impact or Invisible video series designed to expand on the concepts taught in the book Impact or Invisible: Surviving the Data Age with AI by Angel Reyes. The book is your comprehensive guide to transforming your research with artificial intelligence while maintaining the highest standards of integrity. Inside, you will find field-tested frameworks that have been refined through real research practice. You will discover ready-to-use prompts that you can copy and paste directly into your AI tools, and you will learn practical guardrails that protect your work and reputation. The research landscape has changed forever. More than 3 million papers are published every single year. Traditional methods alone cannot keep pace with this volume. The question is no longer whether to use AI. The question is how to use it effectively while maintaining research integrity. Impact or Invisible answers that question with strategies that work in the real world. The book is available now on Amazon and at major bookstores worldwide. Thank you for watching video 1 in the Impact or Invisible series. Remember, this video covered just one concept from the book. The complete book contains over 100 frameworks, techniques, and strategies organized across 10 comprehensive chapters. Here is what else you will find inside. The Diverge-Converge method helps you know exactly when AI can help and when human judgment is essential. The AI sandwich technique structures any AI-assisted task for quality results. You get copy and paste prompt templates for literature reviews, data analysis, manuscript writing, and grant applications. Hallucination detection protocols help you catch AI errors before they compromise your work. Data privacy guardrails keep you compliant with institutional and regulatory requirements. And the Reviewer Zero simulation has helped many researchers dramatically improve their grant success rates. The book also provides dedicated guidance for global researchers working with limited resources. Get your copy of Impact or Invisible on Amazon today, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you do not miss any videos in this series. Each video builds your AI research toolkit one concept at a time. I will see you in the next one.